Hello. Welcome to my house. Come in. Come in, come in. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my official Los Angeles townhouse tour. In 4 years of living here, I haven't done this once, I think because I don't actually know why, and it's kind of sad that I haven't, but here we are, 4 years in the making. I have lived here with several different roommates. It's been the most amazing place, and I'm actually moving out in the next couple months. So I wanted to film this while I was still here to show you guys all the hard work we put into this place, all of the decor and everything that we have, and so that I can cherish these memories forever. This is a 3-story, technically 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse. So what I love about this place is it feels very much like a house. The door is street facing. It doesn't feel too narrow like a lot of townhouses do. It's just very beautifully renovated. It's a super old building, but we actually got in first. We were the first ones for the new renovations, so that's really awesome. So as you obviously walk right in, you have this little entryway with these little stairs. I love this. There's like a closet right here. You walk on up. One of the other things I love about this place is they came with awesome light fixtures already. We didn't have to go get kind of cooler ones. If you guys live in a rental or an older place, something that can really update a home is just adding a different light fixture. I noticed that in my room, which I'll show you later. So this is the lovely living room. We've had several different rugs over the span of this, but I don't recommend getting a white rug. I'm gonna tell you that right now. We never wore shoes on it. We didn't eat on it, and it still is dingy. I'm obsessed with this couch. We actually got it on OfferUp for about $300, and it was brand new. Somebody was moving, relocating for work. We got really, really lucky. So Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp are great places for furniture. This coffee table is actually brand new. One of my roommates bought it, so I won't be taking that with me into the next place, but it's very beautiful. We have some big artwork hanging on the wall. As you can see, there's a lot of plants going on here, a lot of green, a lot of white, a lot of black. That has also changed over the years. We come over this way. This is, I apologize, there's a little bit of a mess. It's not perfect. It's not the perfect, pristine house tour, and that's because we're humans and this is real life. This nook forever was kind of more of a like aesthetically pleasing area and not really a functional area. We used to have certain shelving units, and then Morgan got a bunch of new furniture and it looked amazing, but it just wasn't as functional. So now we have this table and these awesome chairs. I actually can come down and work here a lot. Very nice because it's right by a window. So good lighting, good energy, good vibes. My roommate got this table on, I think, OfferUp too, so that's really cool. If you turn around and look at the lovely shelf, we have some nice artwork. I get all my artwork from Decenio. I love that place. I've had these frames for so long, and I just think they have really cute prints. So that's that. If we make our way over here, if any of you guys have been OG viewers, you will remember when this TV stand was a cardboard box for about 6 months. That was funny. That's one of my just favorite memories of being here. Come in this way. Oh, there's my boyfriend's leftover sandwich that he was supposed to move, but it's fine. This is our beautiful kitchen. We got really lucky with this kitchen, and we have this open concept kind of island situation. Some of the other townhouses that are next to us, they have a wall right here. So we got really lucky with all this space. Oh, and I forgot to say, the price of this unit is $45.95 per month. We got an insane deal. When we moved in, it was actually supposed to be $55.95, and they dropped the rent $1,000 because I guess people weren't moving in. So we have new appliances, you know, newly renovated, super nice. This kitchen definitely makes me want to cook more, and I'm definitely not a cook. So we do have like a mini Juliet balcony that is, you know, it's functional. It's good to be able to open the door, but we don't have any real like outdoor space, which I wish we did. We always love to keep this drink fridge fully stocked. And then, you know, just a little cute area. Not much to say about it. Oh, this is fun. This is a fun feature that my new roommate Peter added. We got a spin. Do we want to go out or stay in? I swear it's rigged. It always says go out. Yes, we're going out. This is the infamous selfie before we go out mirror. It's so funny. Every time somebody follows me on Instagram but hasn't come over yet, they always think my kitchen is gonna be flipped because I take so many pictures in this mirror. And then they come in here and they're like, wait, it's totally the other way. Come along. So, like I said, this is the main floor. There is an upstairs and there is a downstairs. I don't want to go deep into my roommate's room because she's not here and I want to be respectful, but I am going to show this clip right here. Janine Amapola, another YouTuber, if you guys know, used to live here with us. She's posted some room tour videos. This is kind of what the space looks like down there. It's nice and big. There's a good mirrored closet and it leads right out into the garage, which I'll show you guys momentarily. Let's just take a quick laundry room peek. I was just doing my laundry. There's really not much to see, but we do have standard washer dryer. And here I'm doing my laundry. We love to see it. So I think it's time to go upstairs, which is my personal favorite. As we make our way upstairs, we have another amazing mirror. This is from Home Goods. I love Home Goods. It's very like hit or miss and inconsistent, but I found this and it was great. It's very, very heavy. We had to have our dude friend who like is a handyman come over and hang this to make sure it didn't fall. So love that. And then we make our way up the stairs. The artwork that is up here has changed many times. It used to be Morgan who lives here. As you guys know, she lived there with me for the longest. And now it is our other roommate, Peter. We found him on Facebook. We found him on Facebook Marketplace. It's great. So we've gotten some new art. Here's some nice palm trees. If you turn around, you have a beautiful unplugged picture, which I love. And then up here, there are 3 rooms and 2 bathrooms. So if you come on in, this is where all the magic happens. This is my bedroom. You guys have probably seen this so many times, but it has also changed so much over the years because I am such an ADD person, both in normal life and when it comes to decor. I love rearranging furniture. I love like, you know, revamping my style. I was so proud of the way that I decorated this room when I first moved in. It was amazing. And after like 2 or 3 years, I just wanted a little bit of a change, you know, a little more sophisticated. So we obviously have my lovely bed, some cute pillows. I have this little basket that I literally never use except for right now for this room tour. My friend Lonnie actually gave me this chair. I have a podcast. It's on break right now. It's on hiatus, but I used to record my podcast right here. I actually had this arm that came out and would help me record. Here I got my little YouTube plaque. This is the old school one. I got this in like 2016, I want to say, for 100,000 subscribers. That's cool. I have this little floating nightstand or floating shelf as my nightstand. And then yeah, I just have this bookcase that I think is really cute. I was going a lot more for like the neutrals and creams and kind of like light look, but I added a lot more like plants and green and color into here as well. As I was saying about light fixtures really updating a room, as you can see, this one drastically changed the appearance of my room. Before it was kind of like an insane asylum. It had this bright white light, not the business. And then I obviously have this amazing neon sign over my bed, which I love. This was gifted to me from New Wave Neon. I made I think a TikTok and a video about it, but super cool. I'm definitely gonna take that with me through wherever I go next. This was a little makeshift vanity. It kind of ended up not working the way I wanted because the lighting is not very good right here, but I knew I was gonna move soon. So right now it is sort of a vanity, but this was where I wanted to do my makeup and things like that. This dresser is something I'm very proud of. I actually DIY'd this dresser. I used to have a tall white dresser. It really didn't fit this space. I wanted to find a dresser that exactly fit this wall. So I found finally one from IKEA, but it was black. So I painted it white. I bought these handles on Amazon and I put contact paper on top to make it look wooden. And then I got some legs from Amazon as well. I've been vlogging my experience apartment hunting, and once we actually get it and move in, I'm obviously gonna be vlogging packing up and decor and doing DIY rental friendly renovations. So definitely go subscribe over at my vlog channel if you wanna see that journey. I will link below. I had a vlog where I actually showed this process, so I'll link that below. I'm very proud of this. We mounted this TV thanks to my lovely boyfriend's help, who's behind the camera. This room is great. It has 2 closets. This one tends to be my like filming equipment and stuff like that. And this one is obviously where all the clothes and shoes are and things like that. I've actually done a closet tour on this channel too. There's plenty to work with here. Okay, this corner is kind of messy right now. This is like a junk corner at the moment, but I love having just like alternate places to work. So it's obviously really cool having like a table in here. I have the office room, which I'll show you in a minute, and then downstairs anywhere pretty much. We come in here. This is my lovely bathroom. I am obsessed with this bathroom. It has a skylight, which allows for plenty of natural light if you're getting ready in here, anything like that. Just super modern, super updated, and I just really love this. The shower is definitely one of my favorite parts. So wallpaper. Oh yeah, also, I think I vlogged this and made a TikTok. I installed this removable wallpaper when I was just having a quarantine moment of wanting some fun updates, and I really love it. I'm obsessed with removable wallpaper because it's so easy to put up and it's like can totally transform a room. It's not very expensive, which is cool. So that's my room. Now let's go on over to the office. First off, actually, is my roommate's bathroom. Pretty much looks the same, and as you guys know, if any of you followed Morgan, this was her bathroom before, so. And then same thing over here. This is his bedroom. I won't open the door, but I will show you Morgan's old clips. This is what the room looked like. She also, you know, redecorated many times. It was so fun living with her, and I miss her so much, but Peter's awesome, and we have a great time here. This room, oh my gosh, you guys, this is what I would consider like the bonus room that has transformed so many times. when we first moved, for probably a year, this room was straight up garbage. It was like where we put all the boxes from all of our PR packages and just everything we filmed. So it was just nothingness. Then Morgan and I were like, all right, we need to make this functional. So she doesn't have a lot of closet space. We ended up using this for half of like her closet, and then the other half was an office. And then when she moved out, my roommate Peter, who works from home like every single day, really needed an office too. So we just transformed it into more of an office and also kind of a studio, because he is also a DJ and an electronic music producer. So go check him out. Agendas on Spotify, I'll link him below. He's super good. We have many a late night just jam session here. There's all these vibey lights and it's really cool. So this is where he works. This is kind of my space where I work. Got my little calendar, which I love. So yeah, this has been my awesome little office. And we actually have this pretty piece of art as well, which is really cool. I bought that and I was like, I'm into it. It's not a style I would have like thought to go for, and I really dig it. So it's pretty cool. So yeah. All right, you guys, that I guess concludes my house tour. I am definitely gonna be posting kind of a moving out video and of course several moving vlogs for you guys to check out. This is definitely bittersweet. I've had the most amazing time in this townhouse. I couldn't even believe how lucky I got with the space, how light it is, just how beautiful it was, and I know that nothing will compare until I'm super rich and want to buy a house, which won't be for a while. So thank you so much for coming along on this chapter of my life. You guys who have been here for a while, it means the most to me that you continue to subscribe and watch, and I can't wait to show you guys the new next chapter, and hopefully you want to follow along as well. So thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Subscribe to this channel. I will also link all of the products and things that I talked about that I can find down below. Again, we've been working on this for like 4 years, so some of it may not be available anymore, but I'll do my best. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.